Hey guys, so today, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting in ages. It's because I have no Wi-Fi, and my mom had to get credit for saying today and got back on track, so that was good. So finally get internet back. But I couldn't film because I couldn't post them. So, and before I cut my hand right there, and it's really hurting. I was trying to punch my brother because he was really annoying me. And I went to go like that, and yeah, I hit his scar and like punched him, and it looks really weird. So I got a cut there. It really hurts. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So let's get started. So all you need is, let me wash out the cup. So all you need is a cup, some Colgate toothpaste, this, and Garnier, and this. You can add coloring, but I'm not. Just gonna make a plain, creamy color. Just get your cup and your toothpaste and squirt the toothpaste into the cup like this. And you don't have to do a lot, but you can. But if you want to add a little bit, go straight ahead, because just like that. So now you're going to get the soap and squirt. Do 3 pumps, and then get your Garnier and do like a little shoo, like that. And then get your laundry detergent and put like a little bit in, like that. And now what you need to do is mix it. So let's start mixing. It. And then I recommend to mix it for about 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys after when I have mixed it for 10 minutes. Hey guys, so I just mixed it for 13 minutes. It gets like a little extra, so now it's like turning into slime kind of like. So now I'm going to refrigerate it for 12 hours, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Morning guys, so I just woke up and now I'm going to get back to slime. So I just got out of the fridge and it actually turned into slime. So it's like that color, but I'm going to change it to like a creamy color. And if you want to, you can use this to change to like a creamy color, because this is kind of creamy. So a few pumps and then mix it again. And it'll kind of get the creamy color and it'll turn into slime. So mix it for another 10 minutes now, and it will kind of get like the feeling of turning into slime. I'll see you guys after when it turns into slime. Hey guys, so I got it out just then, and it turned into slime, and it actually feels really weird, like this. And you can make yours by dough or something, but yeah, it's really fun to play with. You can add any color you want, but I just wanted to leave it like a creamy color. So and yeah, just a nice little creamy color. So keep squeezing it, squeeze, and it would, yeah, it just feels so nice. So yeah, and I'm going to add, my mom made like a bunch of it, so I'm going to get more of it and I'll show you guys. Be back. So hey guys, so I'm not in my bathroom anymore. I am in my like little area. That's my bedroom. So I'm like in a little hallway again. And I added the slime, and don't mind the hitting my sisters. It's just so weird. So I'm squeezing it until it's kind of like a really nice, and it feels really, really lovely. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Oh, please subscribe to my channel, and please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of how to make slime videos, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. So, bye!